Dan, you don't have a GoPro?
Oh shoot, I did forget my
Because now we ain't gonna believe you.
I'll just have to follow you around.
Then you can get the shot.
Yeah.
Send it to me.
Look, I killed him, look.
I got him.
I'll drag him to you. Tell him I killed him, tell
him I did.
Some poor kid like flaying around like, come here.
Like you shoot him? Yeah, he does have the volcano. That's the volcano.
Dude, what is that?
The new grenade launcher. Put it on that.
Yeah, you could. HGA is supposed to make their own grenade launcher for this.
You gonna buy it?
Yeah.
Blue is far, red is close. Stand up.
I'm almost tempted to go buy the revolver now.
I almost bought one yesterday.
I want to get the Rick Grimes gun.
I bought another fucking gas one.
Oh, great.
Look, if we're gonna do revolvers, then we need to do cowboy holster.
Okay. The funny noise.
You got it? Hell yeah. Oh! That's where it dies. I don't want to waste any more ammo for a shot. I've only got 30 rounds in the bank, so I can't waste too much. No, I won't get no kills. I feel like an idiot now. Well, this is gonna die at any moment, so.
Speed softable.
Keep shooting in the general area to
Imagine that just enough gas to let the shell hit me in the titty.
That's the whole time. Put your hand up.
It's not gonna stop till you give up. I'm afraid that guy.
My knees will not let me do that.
Go that way.
He doesn't have that many shots.
Dude, that thing has like 100. Huh?
I was pink. Now I'm white.
It'd probably help if I turned mine on.
It's not one of us. One of us. One of us. One of us. Be like the children of the
Is
corn.
that proper shooting etiquette?
It's out of order. See.
My back pop.
It's fine.
I can shoot you or you can go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
A bang bang's a bang bang, love them. No, it doesn't. My hands can kill you.
He's mad.
He's so mad.
You got me too, good job. Like you. It's just enough where it doesn't overspin. There's a guy on the right side. Blow. I saw him behind that crate.
On the right side?
No, right here. He's in the right door here.
Watch back.
I think you hit me in the vest.
We're going over there on that side. There's a guy in the window in that building.
Watch out. Hey, Blue, get in here.
Fuck. That's car climbing, bro.
What?
That's car climbing. I was really charging down there.
That's blind fire. You put your gun behind your head. You got me in the half. All right, so what's the plan?
Somebody behind the flower thing there, and somebody inside police.
The pig? Is the pig in?
I think so.
Well, the pig can't be in police station.
Oh no, I don't know if it's... I don't know where that is.
I'm gonna go over to Alamo. Where's the pig? Where's the pig? Oh, cool. Okay.
Do we know where the pony is?
Wait, we have it. Wait, where? Someone's where?
Up there.
Someone's on top of green.
I don't know if he's dead or not.
Someone's on top of green.
I'm gonna check it.
You gonna go up there? All right, I'm gonna sit here with him. Shot him in the hand.
What?
I shot him in the hand. What the hell? protecting whip?
He's helping.
I'm believing.
Bunny has a little springer if you want it. Hey, behind you, right, right. They couldn't take it. What's wrong?
It died right at the end. Like game over.